Tostones relleno con picadillo. Stuffed plantain with my picadillo recipe. This is Puerto Rican style. Natural ingredients. Very delicious and very easy to prepare. Let's create. So for the plantains, you're going to peel them. Green plantains, by the way. No bananas, but plantains. You're going to peel them. And once you peel them, you're going to cut them evenly, okay? See? Do the same with the others. So I'm going to cook stuffed plantains. And I'm going to stuff it with my picadillo recipe. But this one is going to be a little bit different. I'm going to add some sweetness to it and combine with other things, okay? Very simple Puerto Rican style, old school, okay? So I have oil, a medium high for now, and I'm going to start adding the chunks of plantain, okay? And I'm gonna cook them for about maybe 5 or so minutes. Let me reduce the heat a couple notches above medium. But I want them to be submerged, okay? And I was preheating this already for a couple minutes. So a little bit of extra virgin olive oil. Just a little bit. Going to add about half an onion, chopped. And I want this baby a medium high to caramelize a little bit, okay? Couple minutes maybe. Well, a couple minutes later, I'm going to add about 5 or 6 teeth of chopped garlic. Going to mix it up. You don't want it burned, so mix it up for, I say, about 30 to 40 seconds, okay? Time to add about a pound of ground beef. And I'm going to mix it with the onions and the garlic. Then to break it down. And I'm going to cook it until it get a little bit dark. Doesn't have to be 100% cooked yet, okay? It's about 80%, okay? Let me reduce the heat to a couple notches above medium. Let me take care of business here, okay? It's about 70% cooked, 3 or 4 minutes. So what I'm going to do now, I'm going to add a tablespoon of tomato paste, okay? Tomato paste. And I'm going to come with my sazon, homemade, old school. So what I have here is a teaspoon of each. Oregano, garlic powder, coriander, turmeric, and annatto powder. And I'm going to add it here. Let me add a little bit of salt. Puerto Rican styles chopped olive with the pimiento morrón or the sweet pepper. And I'm going to let this baby cook. See the color, how it's turning already? If it gets a little bit too solid, just put a tiny bit of water. Let me put a bay leaf there too, why not, right? And I'm going to let this baby cook. Medium heat. Let me reduce it to medium. I say about 6, maybe 8 minutes later. I'm removing them into a paper towel with a plate. and taking them out. Let that grease dry a little bit. Several minutes later, I'm going to put some cilantro. Going to let it cook again, okay? So it was cooking for first it was about 5 minutes to get the meat dark. It's been another 3 or 4 minutes, and now I add the cilantro. Let it go for another 3 minutes, okay? Now a low heat. This stuff is such a beauty. Half a little cup, come measure me. Some of this paper, I'm going to put it here. I might not need it, but I want to put it there so it doesn't get too stuck. And then what I'm going to do, I'm going to give them shape using this, okay? So that's what I'm doing. I'm creating those little cups. See how it looks? That's simple. Let me put it aside and do the same with the rest. See? So easy. Final touch, optional raisins. Raisins. And I'm going to cook them at low heat with this. I say for about a couple minutes, okay? And you're going to heat them. Heat them again. I say for about a minute and a half to 2 minutes, okay? And here we have it. Look at this beauty. Look at these beauties. And there's more. So easy.